Hey guys, J.R. Fisher here. I wanted to talk to you real quick about getting your online business started. Now I know a lot of you guys, let me fix this camera a little bit, have been thinking about doing this for a long time, and you've considered it and maybe you've done some research, but I want to show you how to get it going today. And I don't mean waiting or trying to figure it out today or doing research today. I mean, get your business going. So here's the thing. I was just talking to a client, and this particular client's been wanting to, start an online business. And I said, well, what's stopping you? And they were saying, well, I got to find the right product. I got to find just the perfect product. And when I find that, then I'm going to put it all into action, and then I'm going to make it happen. And I told them to find a product that wasn't good. Why would I do that? Why would I tell them to find a product that wasn't good? And I don't really mean find a product that's not good. But here's what I said to that person. I said, just pick a product. It really doesn't matter what the product is. It doesn't matter if it's a great product, because here's the thing. If you get started, if you start with a product, no matter what the product is, digital, physical, doesn't matter, and you start to market that product. Let's say you start to run ads. Let's say that you have people opt in and you start to email them. Let's say that that product sales page has another sales page and you build a funnel. Once you start with any product, you're going to learn a lot of other things that you're going to need when you do find a better product. But the thing is, you'll never learn those things. You'll never be prepared if you don't get started. And how do you get started? You pick a product, any product, right? Just pick something, right? Just throw a rock wherever it lands, get a product. And what's going to happen? And this happened to me. I'm not telling you something that I haven't done myself. And I started many, many years ago, 2009, and I was selling cell phone cases, and I learned a lot. I learned, number one, that I couldn't make a profit selling cell phone cases. That was the number one lesson I learned. But here's what else I learned. I learned how to run ads. I learned how to put things on eBay and how to put things on Amazon. I learned how to email people, what to say in emails. So even though I didn't make money on that particular product, there were all these other things I learned. I learned how to use email providers, okay? And it led me to, learning how to build funnels and upsells and downsells and opt-ins and all these other crazy things that go along with selling online. But I wouldn't have learned any of those things if I didn't just pick a product and try to sell it. So don't get paralyzed by the fact that you want to get the most perfect product in the world and you want that product to be just exactly right. Because that's not how it works. And the person explained to me, they said, well, here's my goal. What I want to do is pick a really good product, take it out there and sell it and make a profit, and then take those profits and put it into the next product. It doesn't work that way. You can't do it that way. Now, there's a chance that your very first product is going to be great and you're going to make money. But the odds are that's not going to happen. The odds are that you're going to start with a product and it's probably not going to work out well, but you're going to learn how to use all these softwares. You're going to learn how to do all these processes and how to do sales pages and how to do emails by trying to market that one product. Because it's not the product so much. I mean, if you think about, food out there, if I were to ask you, what's the best hamburger that you've ever eaten in your life, then I'm sure a lot of you would say, well, it's, Bob's Burgers in, Omaha, Nebraska, or it's Frankie's, supersized burgers in Northern California. You're all going to have a different answer to this. And the odds are that it's not going to all be the same answer. And then if I said to you, what is the best-selling hamburger in the world, you would go, well, McDonald's. Now, why is it that all these other burgers are so much better than McDonald's? And granted they are, okay? It's because McDonald's does marketing. McDonald's, does lead magnets. They get you in on a cheap item and they upsell you to other items and they put you through a sales funnel. So what they're really doing is marketing. So they don't have the best burger in the world, nor do you have to have the best product. And sure, I recommend you having a great product. I don't want you to go find a bad product. I'm kind of half kidding about that. But the point is, you don't need that to get started. And the thing is, you're never going to learn all these other parts that go along with selling products online if you're so consumed with just getting the perfect product, get the best product, it's better than everybody else's, it works better than everybody else's, it has a better price than everybody else's, it's got a better quality than everybody else's, I don't know. That seems exhausting. That seems like some pretty tough stuff to do. I haven't been able to pull it off, and I've been in business almost 10 years doing this, selling products online. What I do at this point is I share some of these techniques that I've used to market all kinds of products. You know, because I have courses out there, and I have one-on-one coaching, and I have physical products like survival foods. I have all kinds of products out there, and some of them do well, some of them don't do as well. But the point is, there's techniques I use to market all these things. So no matter what your idea is, you need to learn these techniques. Now, if you want to join a group of people that's very exclusive, because I'm making it exclusive, and how do I do that? I limit it to 250 people, then I would suggest you join my inner circle. My inner circle is comprised of 250 people who get access to a private VIP Facebook group. In addition to that, they're going to get a live coaching call with me every 2 weeks. Now, keep in mind, I charge thousands of dollars an hour to, consult with businesses and individuals on their business, and you're going to get this for free. In addition to that, I'm going to give you all my trainings. I'm going to give you my course, which is Digital Cash Academy. I'm going to give you my course, which is Ecom Road, that shows you how to set up a Shopify store. I'm going to give you my course, which is Web Cash Academy, which is some on-screen training. In addition to that, it's classroom training where I actually was, teaching in these masterminds, businesses, real businesses, and you can see them there learning these things. I'm also going to give you Facebook Ads University, which shows you how to run ads. And if you put all these things together, it's worth about $46,382. Not bad. And I'm going to give you that all for free just for joining my inner circle. Now, there's a small monthly fee to be part of the inner circle, but I'm going to give you $46,382 worth of training on top of that. So that's a pretty good deal. It's limited to the first 250 people. If you want to learn these techniques to market to just about anybody, all you got to do is go to JR Inner Circle. That's JRINNER circle.com, JR Inner Circle. Now, when you get there, it's going to ask you to fill out an application because we want just the best people in there. Doesn't mean you have to have already been a multimillionaire selling online. You could be at the beginning stages, but we have some questions that kind of qualify you a little bit. And then once you're approved, if you're approved, we're going to send you an email, let you know of your approval, and you can get started. Okay? So, guys, you got to get started today. You can't keep waiting. You can't keep trying to find the best hamburger, okay? Because even if you have the best hamburger, if you don't know how to market it, guess what? You're not going to make any money. So I want you to make money, and the best way to make money is learn all these processes, learn these email things, these sequence things, learn how to tag customers and how to upsell and downsell and multiple sell them and how to sell them continuity and all these crazy terms that you may not even know right now. We teach you, okay? So my best recommendation is if you want to get on top of that, you want to learn all this stuff, you want to be successful, you got to get all the information that makes all this work. You've got to get the information to teach you how to market just about any product. I mean, and I really honestly feel like if I've got any kind of roughly decent product, I can market it right now, and I can help anybody with their products market it because of these techniques and these skills I've learned with marketing online. If you want to be part of my private group, all you got to do is go to JR Inner Circle. That's JRINNER. I think you'll like it. It's pretty cool stuff. You get $46,382 worth of free software and training, okay? Just go to JR Inner Circle, apply right there. We get you approved, get you in the group, and we'll have you off and running. So don't wait, okay? That's going to fill up soon, so if you want to get into that, you need to do that right away. But don't wait. The sooner you learn these things, the sooner you pick up these techniques, the sooner you learn how to market, the sooner you're going to have cash in your bank account, learning how to sell things online. So that's my little information for today. I just wanted to share that with you right quick. I'm heading to the gym right now, getting ready to go inside. And people say, well, you must love going to the gym. You go to the gym a lot. I said, I don't love going to the gym at all. But I know that if I don't go in there and get my butt kicked by some of these machines and weights, that eventually I won't be in as good a shape. So that's pretty important to me. So I'm going to go in there, even though I don't want to, and don't wait till you feel like doing something. I hear so many people say, well, I just didn't feel like it today, so I didn't want to go to the gym today, or I just didn't feel like looking at stuff today online. Don't wait till you feel like it, because you may never feel like it, and if you never feel like it, you're never going to get started. So my suggestion is get started today. Check out my Inner Circle. It'll get you going. jrinnercircle.com. Fill out an application. We'll get you in there, and you can learn to do this stuff. It's not that hard. Heck, I learned it. I'm not that smart. Okay? If I can do it, you can do it. Go to jrinnercircle.com, check it out, and if you have any questions, hey, feel free to ask me. Even if this is not live and you're not watching this live, you can put a comment down there now. You can put a question down there now, and I'm going to see it. I'll get notified. I'll jump back in there and I'll answer your question. If you like this video and you feel like you got something out of it, do me a favor, just share it. Hit that little share button. Share it to your timeline. You know, share it to some friends, whoever you want. Let them see this information. Let them get access to it. And guess what? They'll think you're cool. They'll say, hey, my buddy here, my friend, she shared something with me and it helped me out. So put it on your timeline. Hit that share button. Hit that like button. If you don't like it, put down there you don't like it. Let me know that, okay? Let me know what you do like. I'm trying here, right? I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.